Hello YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to review the Windows 10 October build, popularly known as noise.My. So let's begin. The first thing we are going to check is the Windows version. The Windows version I have is 1809. The OS build is 17763.1. So let's go to the features. The first feature that we observe is the dark theme. The dark theme has been implemented very beautifully in Windows Explorer. We always wanted a dark theme, and there has been a lot of softwares which have been trying to do the same. Thanks Windows for this dark theme. The next feature we will see is in Microsoft Edge. It has been equipped with a dark theme also, and the main update is to promote easier reading of ebooks such as this. I don't know if this update can make it more relevant than the Chrome. I use Internet Explorer quite a while. I mean Microsoft Edge, it's not that bad, but the Chrome is just off. So anyway, let's save that one for later. The next update that we have been given is in the game bar. The game bar here has been totally revamped. As you can see, the game mode option we used to get before is not here. And we have all the sound settings differently. The game mode option has been shifted here. Yes, here's the game mode option. We also get the related graphics settings. The graphics setting hints to the switchable graphics version of the laptops or PCs which have dual GPUs. It's for them. Anyway, this laptop is equipped with a Radeon 520, and I would like to say that after this Windows update, the graphics performance has increased. My games are given a 2 to 3 FPS drive, and I think it's pretty good. The next update that we see is a snip. The snipping feature that was present in Windows has been shifted to a whole new app, Snip and Sketch. As you can see, Snip and Sketch, more like before only, nothing much has changed, but we have added features here such as this, and we have a clipboard feature here. What we snip, what we screenshot is automatically sent to the clipboard. It's pretty useful. We need that clipboard. Anyway, the next feature we have is to link our Android phones or Microsoft phones. So this link your phone features, which can be used to link your phone to the Microsoft PC. If you are using an Android version, then it will install a Microsoft Launcher app in your Android, and with the help of that we can use it. Action Center hasn't changed much. It's more or less the same, and there's nothing much of a changes. But I would say one of the major changes of this is the performance upgrades. Yes, my computer was laggy before. Now it's quite smooth. I had issues of 100% usage, but that has been resolved too. I think this is a very good improvement. The October update brings really a new smoothness and fluidity to the system, and recommended for everyone. So if you want to have the October update beforehand, as an insider preview, so you must log in to the Microsoft account and enable Windows Insider's preview, which you can get from the Internet Explorer or Chrome. Then you can download this. So thank you.